to refer in myself. Me or the mans are looking for a good quality of woman and a good quality of mans. I know that is really hard to find it right now because everything now it's like a fake. And yeah, other is like looking good quality, but if you are really knows everything about that person, it's like you can scam. I mean, you are scam. So that's in the person you are looking. If a good quality, you can have it. If you can afford it, if you can do a good you are willing to surrender everything for that person that have a good quality, like what you are buying in the product that have good quality, to use it forever. Of course, the woman that also wants you to find is a good quality also, and it's really hard to find it. Like same as we are looking a man that have a good quality for us. That's why it's hard for me to find a good person. But I referred it. I don't have money to buy that kind of product. But I asked God to buy for me. So I am waiting a good quality of man to come in my life. So what are you waiting for? Maybe one of my viewers is good quality and presentable, and maybe you are the one that a good quality that I'm looking for. The person that I'm looking for and a good quality is the person that knows God, love God, serve God. That's the only person that I'm looking for. Maybe one of you is the one that I'm looking for. So God bless. I'm here. I will not let you down. I don't have money. I don't have material things. I don't have even earrings, necklace, and I'm not good for that. I'm not materialistic, guys. I'm not materialistic. I have house only. I have laptop that I did not use. I have here. I feel myself I am very rich because all of this is my dream. I mean, are my dream. I have pancit for my dinner. I have tea. It's already done. It's good for me. No need to spend a lot of money for me. No. Don't feed me your money. I'm not going to be full with that. No. Feed me the word of God, and I am be satisfied of that. So God bless everyone. I hope one of you are the one to God sending me here for a lovable girl. I know to myself, I am a pure and good quality for you. God bless. Bye-bye.